Cleaning with Fany. Cleaning with Fany. Oh. Well, I'm at my astronaut job, I call it, but it's just I clean in this facility, and yeah, usually this is fully put together, but they might have dropped it or something because it looks like it's broken. Oh, that's a fail. Ooh, that was a fail. It's supposed to look like this, which these are freaking cool. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a big drone. Look at that. What ended up flying? This one's purdy. This probably was a rough draft. Oh, they definitely dropped that. Sopitas. Oh my God, this is the dirtiest it's ever been. Ew, what is that? Little crumbs everywhere? That's unacceptable. What is that? Coffee? How dare you? That was too dramatic. Calm down. Yeah, guys, it's not that dirty. It's just, little things here and there, but like always, it's pretty clean. Look at that. Untouched rooms. You see the shininess? And I haven't even cleaned it yet. Yeah, guys, it's not very dirty here, so that's why I'm able to I pretty much just have to disinfect everything and the garbages, whatever. Everything is usually pretty tidy. And it's nice and sunny today, but it's a little windy. It's just a tad bit windy. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see. I know you see them trees, girl. Boy, whatever. Let's see if this room's dirty. I've never showed this room before. No, it's not really dirty. Let's see the restrooms. Nope, not dirty. Yeah, really not that dirty, guys. Really not that dirty. This is why it's a little bit easier, except when it's actually dirty and I haven't been here for a bit. That's when it gets a little chaotic, and all I have left upstairs is to vacuum. So yeah, and this little rug, man, I don't know why it's so hard to freaking vacuum it. I have to sweep it first and then vacuum it. How annoying. Yeah. That's a dirty window though.